Wow, got it very wet. And let's see, does my iPhone still work? Yes, it does. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, self-driving vehicles, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these two cases right here. Now, I'm super excited to do so because these are OtterBox's free cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And now what's super duper special about these cases is that they're actually waterproof. So whenever I bring my iPhone out of the house, I always have it in an OtterBox FRE because I love having that extra waterproof protection. So I'm excited to finally have these guys for none other than my iPhone 17 Pro Max right here. But now before we start getting these guys out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending these free cases out to me for free in order to make this video about them. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But without further ado, let's start getting them out. Here we go. Before we start checking out these boxes, also you guys got to take a peek at this handwritten note OtterBox sent to me with these cases. Excited to get these in your hands for your next adventure. Hope you love them. So I think that's super sweet of them. Definitely have a good relationship with OtterBox. So thank you guys for that. But anyway, let's start opening these up. So first, let's take a look at this box that has the black one. It says OtterBox FRE series, 5 times tested to military standard, works with MagSafe, and is waterproof for 2 meters up to 1 hour. And it's got a built-in screen protector for 360-degree protection, obviously for the 17 Pro Max. And over here on the back, it talks about the warranty, easy interaction with camera control, and the ports are covered. So let's just go ahead and open up this box right here, and we can slide this case out of it. Here it is. So we've got the case itself. We can put that down. And then also in the box, we have some instructions. Let's take a look at these. So here we've got how to install it. You can look at that. These also mention that you're going to want to water test the case before you submerge your device. So that's important just to make sure the waterproofing works. And now let's open up the second box here. So this one is in the green color. And wow, that's kind of a cool green. It's very outdoorsy because it's dark. It kind of reminds me of a pine tree. Now, both of these cases, inside of them, you've got a microfiber cloth for actually wiping down your device. And the one I want to put on my iPhone today is actually the black one, because that's the color I prefer. And guys, of course I have my own microfiber cloth, but it is nice of them to include one in there. If you don't, I typically use the Apple polishing cloth, which for a microfiber cloth is pretty expensive. It's about 20 bucks, but hey, only the best for my iPhones. But then folks, once you're confident your iPhone is fingerprint free, you can just pop it into the FRE like this. First putting it into the side of the case that has the screen protector. And then once it's all in, you can go ahead and flip it over and put the back on as well. And then you're gonna wanna go around and make sure all the edges are tight and clipped together, because obviously you don't want to allow any water to get into this case. And last but not least, silly me, let's take this piece of plastic off. And now this case is all on my 17 Pro Max here. So first thing I'm gonna note is actually they put black all around the cameras on the rear, so you can barely see the beautiful cosmic orange of my iPhone. So I guess if you wanna hide the true color of your iPhone, this case can help with that. We've also got an OtterBox logo down here. We've got the volume buttons here on the side. You can use those just fine. Above that, of course, we have the action button right here. On the bottom, we have meshes covering the 2 speaker grills, as well as a flap covering the USB-C port. Over on this side, we do have that camera control button. So let's make sure that works. And yes, as advertised, it works just fine. And you can slide around with that as well. So that's great there. And then here we have the side button. And yeah, I will note, even though this case is super protective, obviously, right, because it's waterproof, it still feels quite thin and light in the hand, which I like. Obviously, there's a big protrusion here on the back where the camera control is, but otherwise it feels pretty slim. So once again, folks, the OtterBox FRE has always been my go-to case when I bring my phone outside, because I love all this protection. And knowing that it's waterproof, like maybe if I spill soda or water or whatever, on this, my phone should be fine. I just love that extra confidence. Now, before we start getting this phone wet, I do want to try out MagSafe with it. So we can plop on my Anker MagSafe battery pack and boom, yes, it charges just fine. So as advertised, MagSafe works. And yeah, I just think that's a good look too, having that little battery pack on the back of such a protective case. But anyway, let's take the MagSafe off and head outside and dump some water on this free case. So folks, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's dump some water on the OtterBox FRE here. Wow, got it very wet. And let's see, does my iPhone still work? Yes, it does. So there we go, we can unlock it and swipe around, and yeah, waterproof case. This is why I love these OtterBox FREs, because you really can, as they said in that letter to me, you can have an adventure with this. So super cool here. And now that you've seen me put some water on this case, that'll do it for this Warenotice video about the OtterBox FRE right here for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you want this case for yourselves, it will set you back about $100. So yes, it is on the pricier side of iPhone cases, but feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 17 Pro Max cases, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone. And spoiler alert, it's a lot. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And also, folks, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.